Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to test PayPal payments safely in 2025 without using real money? I will show you how to create and manage PayPal sandbox accounts for user testing. Let's get started. First of all, visit developer.paypal.com and sign in with your real PayPal account or create a new developer account if you don't have one. Now head over to the Sandbox account section in the dashboard. This is where you create and manage your test accounts. Click create account and choose your account type like business for sellers or personal for buyers. Select the country and remember all funds here are fake for testing only. After creation, you can view your Sandbox account details and API credentials. These are important for integrating your app with PayPal. Use the Sandbox account credentials to log into sandbox.paypal.com, a safe fake PayPal site to simulate transactions like buying, sending money, and more with zero risk. And that's how you create a PayPal Sandbox account for testing in 2025. It's free, safe, and keeps your real money secure. Thanks for watching.